Are we looking into this? Is it something in the near future? Is it something
I think it's mainly derived on a high level of technology.
Okay.
And looking at a technological base, I don't think we are too strong to be able to put tracking measures in place to serve as a guarantee for those who want to trade. Okay. So I think the policy makers and the regulators in the industry may not venture regulating it or making it legal because of the fear that once you make it legal, then you have an oversight responsibility of monitoring and evaluation. And we don't have the technology to do that, and which when people are defrauded and at the end of the day, they'll come back to you, the regulator, for assistance. So it creates a lot of chaos and anarchy. So I think the regulators, they know very well. Maybe some, too personally, individually, they may be traders. But at the end of the day, they are looking at the large scale and what is really going to pose a security threat to a lot of people. So I don't see it being regulated, making it legal.
It's like going to a shopping mall. There's a car park, and there's notice you park at your own risk.
Yes, exactly.
All right, now let me come to Mr. Luchu. It's interesting. Now tell us, how does it operate? How does it work?
Okay.
How do you do it?
Cryptocurrencies.
And can you be defrauded?
Yes. Cryptocurrencies run on what we call the blockchain technology.
Take your time and say it.
The blockchain technology.
All right.
And the way the blockchain works is very simple.
Okay.
I'm operating a business. In the traditional business, I have an accountant.
So let's say you're trading with Reverend. Yeah. Let's see how it operates.
Okay, it operates very simply.
Okay.
Just like mobile money, the way we do mobile money transactions. I take my computer or my mobile phone. I receive his wallet address.
Okay.
And then I put it in the space provided for wallet address.
Okay.
Enter the amount that I'm supposed to send to him.
Okay.
I press send, and that is all.
Okay.
And once that is done, it goes to the blockchain.
Okay.
That was what I wanted to explain for you to know how it operates.
Yeah.
So in the traditional business, I have a centralized accounting system where every money received or spent goes through that central system. But on the blockchain, we are all on the network. So when I send that $1 to this man, the transaction is broadcast to all of us.
Those of you on the crypto.
Those of us on the network.
On the network, yes.
So everybody checks to see whether I have enough to send.
Okay.
And whether that what I'm sending is real, is part of the network currency.
Okay.
Now, when it is verified and everybody accepts that yes, I can send that money, then the money is transferred to him, and then everybody stamps it, and then the transaction is kept in a block.
Okay.
And once it is accepted and stamped, it cannot be changed. It is immutable. Nobody can go back and alter that record. Nobody can steal. Nobody can destroy it.
Wow.
That is how it operates. As simple as that.
Can you? So there's no way you can be defrauded.
No.
There's no way.
The only way you can be defrauded is when you give your money to an individual who says, "Come and invest, and let me pay you interest." Then that person can run away with your money.
Okay.
But on the network itself,
that kind of a dealing or the network on that network, everything goes into the blockchain, right? Like you said.
Yes.
So how can you have an individual dealing which does not go into the blockchain?
It goes to the blockchain.
Okay.
But here's the case: this man has an ulterior motive, which I don't know.
Okay.
He says, "I'm trading. I'm going to give you profit." So I send him the money, and then eventually, once that money is sent to him, it cannot be returned to me.
Okay.
It cannot be returned to me unless he decides to send it back. If not, the money is in his wallet.
Okay.
There's no way anybody can take that money from his wallet and pass it back to me.
Okay.
So once it's gone to him, it's gone.
Right.
And then he's gone with the money.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
But on the blockchain, nobody can steal your money.
Okay.
Nobody can nobody can seize it.
There's
Nobody
check.
can freeze it.
Yeah.
Nobody can confiscate it.
Okay.
Nobody, absolutely nobody in the entire world.
Okay. So internationally, this is accepted. Now, if within the borders of Ghana, okay, and I want to trade with you, on the land of Ghana, can we do it?
Yes.
We can.
Yes.
It's going on.
It operates everywhere.
Okay.
Everywhere there are no boundaries.
Okay.
No boundaries at all.
Okay.
So we'll come to the advantages.
Yes.
And then you will see why cryptocurrency is gaining grounds. The advantages are very, very tangible.
Okay.
If you look at the advantages of operating in this. And then the reasons why people are more and more interested in it. Okay. It is very interesting.
Yes, Rev.
Yes, sir.
So with what he has just said, it's really gaining grounds.
Oh, yes, it's really gaining grounds simply because when you look at our traditional way of transacting business, it involves a lot of middlemen and financial institutions and the cost associated with it. And so, if you have access to your own transactions without any additional cost, I think that people prefer it much more. And the issue about go and come and delays and all of this, I think bureaucracy are all being eliminated. So those are the issues that really drives people's motives.
I'm going to come to advantages and disadvantages very soon, but and a few interesting questions will come. I'll read them very soon. But Mr. Luchu, can I get rich? Can I get possessions out of you dealing in crypto?
Yes, the answer is yes.
Are you rich?
I'm rich.
Has it made you rich?
Yes, I have a lot of wealth.
How do you get how do I get the wealth if I deal in crypto? How do I get it? It's like the normal way you trade for things on the net and all that, and it's sent to you and all that. Is it the same way?
There are 3 basic ways you can acquire cryptocurrency.
Tell us.
1, by mining. Before that, you can create your own cryptocurrency, as I said.
Okay.
So that is the first way.
Okay.
You can create your own and push it to the market.
Oh, really?
And then once it is accepted, you become
push it on the network?
You create your own network.
Okay.
And then you push it to the cryptocurrency market.
Okay.
Like we have the interbank, the forex market.
Yeah.
You can have your own currency and you push it there.
Okay.
Then number 2, the currencies that are already in existence, you can acquire them by 1, mining.
Okay.
Mining, just like we mine gold. This is used by computer algorithms. That is the solving of the problems that I talk about, stamping of the transactions and making sure that everything is in order. Everybody who partakes in that receives some reward.
Okay.
That is what we call mining.
Okay.
Then you can also acquire them by selling your own products and receiving cryptocurrencies in exchange.
Okay.
And then you can also acquire them by buying them from someone who owns some.
Okay.
If, for instance, I have some and you want to get some, you can acquire them.
Okay.
Send me cash. I transfer the cryptocurrency into your wallet. These are the 3 basic ways you can acquire them.
Interesting. Yes. But this is not physical.
It's not physical.
It is never physical.
No.
Are there not being any ones being done? Can you order for some? Like a Bitcoin?
Yes,
like
you can order for some. Right now, right here, you can order for some. You can acquire it. There are websites where you can go right now and acquire any cryptocurrency.
It's interesting.
Yes.
It's interesting. Now, let's come to you, Rev. People are going to think through this. People would want to do it. People will be scared. But then, would you think it's a good thing for one to go into? And then what are the advantages for you? What are the advantages?
Okay, it all depends on where you stand. And actually, maybe some people believe that anything that is of internet, that is not physical, that is not visible, that is not tangible, people are so reserved about how to go, because at the end of the day, you can't, like for instance, the mode of acquisition, you are interested, somebody have it, and you need to pay money to the person and it transfers to you. What about if you pay and the person refuses to transfer? So the people, the fraudsters are also in the system. And once that you don't have a very good coach or somebody who is an expert to lead you, you will surely be defrauded. And I think basically those are the disadvantages. But globally, is becoming an acceptable financial transaction, and people are gaining a lot from it because when you look at the easier way of having access to commodities and products, I think cryptocurrency is helping a lot. But the whole thing is that you might not be rich necessarily, because the value of the currency can devalue or remain like that for a very long time. So at the end of the day, it's not just that when you acquire the currency, then you are rich. Like what the men's goal has promised. It's not like that.
Right. Okay. So would you advise anyone to go into it? It's an individual thing, right?
It's an individual thing, but I don't think personally I'm interested.
Okay. Mr. Luchu,
hello.
Tell us, you were a trader. You into this.
Yeah.
What are the advantages and the disadvantages for you?
The advantage is, one, anonymity.
Okay.
Nobody knows how much I own on the blockchain.
Okay.
So I can hide all my wealth on the blockchain and no one will ever know. As a result, nobody can seize, confiscate, or freeze my assets on the blockchain.
Okay.
That is number one.
Okay.
Number two, cryptocurrencies are accessible everywhere there is internet connection. Okay. So if let's say there is a war in Ghana and you are fleeing from this place to America, and all your money is on the blockchain, you can go to America, gain access to your money.
Okay.
You know, and then the other advantage is that cryptocurrencies can be used as a store of value to protect, and then also as a hedge